a special treat. We have a drum circle community here in town, and we call ourselves Drumming Sounds. We meet every day at my house, not every day, every Monday at my house. Well, sometimes it's every day, to be true with you, but every Monday we meet at my house. It's a community building drum circle. We usually have anywhere from 10 to 20 people. You guys are all invited. It's on a donation basis. We teach West African drumming, Latin drumming, Middle Eastern drumming, anything that has to do with drumming, community drumming, recreational music. It's all about those things. So this is the group that meets, some of the group that meets. There's actually over 100 of us, all spread out over the valley and actually up north. There's some of you here tonight, some that I've met through the drum, my friend Valdev in the back, Jared, a bunch of you guys, if I missed you, I'm sorry, but we're going to play a rhythm called Balykumanya. Everybody say Bala, Kun, La, Ya. And Balykumanya is a West African rhythm, and the rhythm actually speaks about the celebration of life. So the words of the song that go with Balykumanya, I can't really recite because they're in a language that I don't speak very well. But basically interpreted, they mean, they say this call and response piece that says, a baby is worth how much? And then the group says, a baby is worth $1. And then the other group goes, no, a baby is worth a lot more than $1. A baby is priceless. And it's a celebration of the mother and the baby, and it's just about celebrating life. So it fits really well with the theme of Divinity, because we're celebrating life today. And yeah, this is Balykumanya. Oh, hey, check this out. If you guys feel compelled, all right, to dance, music and dance go together. So don't just move your feet into your chair. Go ahead and get up and groove. This whole area right here is for you. All right? Volunteers to help pass out the